Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to fix slow laptop startup. Chapter 1. How to fix slow laptop startup disabling Linux Subsystem. To start, enter features in the search box. Click on Turn Windows features on or off. When the window opens, locate the line, Windows Subsystem for Linux. Confirm that its box is unchecked. If not, you must do so and wait for the process to complete. Chapter 2. How to fix slow laptop startup disabling startup applications. To start, open Start and click on Settings. After that, you are going to go to Apps, and here you will click on Startup. In the list you see, you can disable the switches for applications that will not start with the system. Chapter 3. How to fix slow laptop startup, enable hibernation. To get started, enter CMD in the search box. Click on Run as Administrator and click Yes to access. After this, run the on-screen command to enable hibernation. If possible, you will have this option from System Shutdown. Chapter 4. How to fix slow laptop startup disabling lock screen. To start, click on the Start menu and then on Settings. Here, go to Personalization and open Lock Screen. When you access its options, turn off the switch. Show the lock screen background picture on the SIGIN screen. Chapter 5. How to fix slow laptop startup changing boot wait time. To start, enter msconfig in the search box. Click on System Configuration. Now you're going to go to the Boot tab. After this, in the Timeout field, assign a value less than the one established by default. You can apply the changes. Chapter 6. How to fix slow laptop startup starting without services. To begin, in the search box, enter msconfig. Click on System Configuration. After this, in the Services tab, check the box to hide all Microsoft services. When doing so, check the box, Disable All. When you apply the changes, you must restart the system to confirm this process. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 7. How to fix slow laptop startup repairing Windows startup. To start, enter Reset in the search box. Click Reset this PC. In the Settings window, click Restart Now. Confirm this process to access Advanced System Startup. After a moment, click on Troubleshoot and then on Advanced Options. Finally, click on Startup Repair and you will wait for the internal analysis to complete to optimize the startup. When this is finished, click on Advanced Options. Click Continue to start the normal session in Windows. Chapter 8. How to fix slow laptop startup adjusting virtual memory. To get started, enter Appearance in the search box. Click on Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. After that, in the Advanced tab, click Change located in the Virtual Memory section. First, uncheck the box, Automatically manage paging file size, and then you can manually set this size or have the system do it. If you change something, you must restart the PC. Chapter 9. How to fix slow laptop startup changing CPU usage. To start, enter msconfig in the search box. Open System Settings. You are going to go to the Boot tab and there click on Advanced Options. After that, check the box, Number of processors, and define the quantity to use. Click on Apply and OK, and if you wish, you can restart the system. Chapter 10. How to fix slow laptop startup disabling background applications. To start, press Start and then Settings. Here, under Apps, click on Installed Apps. You are going to locate the application and click on its context menu. Select Advanced Options. When accessing this window in Background App Permissions, you will set the value Never. Chapter 11. How to fix slow laptop startup tuning performance. To get started, enter About in the search box. Click on About your PC. Now click on the line Advanced System Settings. Then click on Settings located under Performance. In these options, check the box, Adjust for best performance, apply these changes. Chapter 12. How to fix slow laptop startup turning off notifications. To get started, press Start and open Settings. You are going to go to System, and there you will click on Notifications. After that, turn off the notification switch to turn off all of them. Chapter 13. How to fix slow laptop startup configuring storage. To get started, click Start and then open Settings. Then in System, open Storage. First, click on Temporary Files. Wait for them to be loaded. After this, check the desired boxes. Click on Remove Files and confirm this operation to remove them from the PC. Go back to storage and verify that the storage sense switch is enabled. Access this section. Within the available options, configure each one as appropriate for the laptop's performance. Finally, you are going to click on Run Storage Sense now and wait a bit for the task to complete. After in storage, display the Advanced Storage Settings option and click on Drive Optimization. In the displayed window, select the drive and click Optimize. Here it is possible to wait for this process to take place. Chapter 14. How to fix slow laptop startup adjusting the taskbar. To start, from the Start menu, open Settings. After that, in Personalization, click on Taskbar. When you have access, disable the switches in the Taskbar Items section. Chapter 15. How to fix slow laptop startup configuring games. To get started, open Settings from Start menu. Now in Games, click on Game Mode. Confirm that the Game Mode switch is active. Chapter 16. How to fix slow laptop startup resetting the PC. To start, enter Reset in the search box. Click Reset this PC. Here, click on Reset PC. You can keep your files or not, and then you can select the type of installation. When you click Next, wait for the operation to complete, and when finished, you must click Reset so that the laptop recovers its speed. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.